Hey everyone, we're here at One Marine Service headquarters showroom in Doral, where we sell JL Audio, Rockford Fosgate, Lumitech, Fusion. So basically all your lighting, audio, navigation equipment. We also sell chargers. We also sell batteries. All of our vans, as you can see, are all brand new Ford Transit Connects. So guys, One Marine Service is one call away. We will take care of your electrical, audio, navigation, lighting. You can either contact me, Jose, at 786-488-6513. We speak English, Spanish, and Portuguese. Here we have my partner Manuel.
Olá pessoal, tudo bom? Aqui para falar com a gente aqui em português é só chamar, viu?